Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Samsung S10 and removing the SIM tray. This prevents shorts while you work. Next, heat the back glass evenly for about 60 to 90 seconds to soften the adhesive, because a warm panel separates cleanly. Once done, use a suction cup to create a gap and insert a thin pick. Make small, steady passes around the perimeter so you don't crack the glass or damage internal clips. With the rear removed, unscrew the midframe and lift it away so you can access connectors. Keep screws organized to avoid mix-ups later. You then disconnect the battery connector first to isolate power, and carefully unplug display and sensor flex cables, because preventing power flow keeps components safe. Once isolated, slide plastic cards under the battery adhesive and rock gently to loosen it. Use plastic tools to avoid puncturing the cells, and take your time to prevent deformation. You place the new battery in the tray, aligning contacts, then reconnect the battery connector and other flex cables so everything regains power in the correct order. This matters to avoid boot issues. Once connections are secure, apply fresh adhesive to the back glass, press evenly and clamp briefly to ensure a good seal. After reassembly, power on the phone and run a quick battery calibration. If it won't boot or the battery swells, stop and consult a repair professional as troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.